now it really is beginning to look like a house. It's going to look like the kitchen cabinets, but it's going to be a hidden pantry here. So it'll look just like the cabinets look, and you'll open it up and you'll walk into a pantry. From out here, you'd think it's just a regular cabinet. We're going to do luxury vinyl flooring throughout the house. The kitchen is going to be evergreen fog, cabinet color. Silver point is what all the walls will be painted throughout. Coming up the stairs, we're going to have a geometric pattern going right here. This wall right here will actually be painted with iron ore. It'll be a black because all the finishes in the house is black. And in the media room, we're actually going to do some kind of geometric stuff on the walls, and it'll be iron ore also. To me, the kitchen is the favorite part to decorate. It brings families together, and I love all the different textures and colors, and really excited about our custom cabinets. I'm really looking forward to coming in and putting my finishing touches on everything. It's going to be a beautiful home.
Michael Stricklin here with Stricklin Porter Land. Look, if y'all want to learn more about our inventory and the projects we have going on, and also keep up with Munson Hills, click the subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's go. Come on, guys. What are you waiting for?